All right, now we're going to connect the app on the phone, the Village Lighting Lightstream app, to the controller. The controller, you can tell, is a controller because there it says controller there. Also, it will have a QR code. It'll either be a silver label, a white label, or the brand new 2021 versions don't have a label at all. It's printed right onto the plastic itself. So to do that, we're going to, on the home screen, you're going to go to the plus, and it's going to want to scan this QR code. So at that point, you're going to line that up, and obviously make sure that the controller is powered on. Line it up. Some devices work really well, and some do not. It's been hit or miss. This device, it's an Android, doesn't work too well on any of them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan or continue without scanning. I'm gonna go ahead and type in the code that can be found right below the QR code. So in this case, it's VLC 1084 pound, and then there's 6 zeros. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and type in, and it's got to match, so all caps, capital V, capital C, or capital V, capital L, capital C, and then 1084 pound 1 2 3 4 5 6, and enter and continue. So now at this point, it's asking for a controller name. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna type in test video, if I can spell, and enter, and continue. Now it's synchronizing the app with what's on the controller. So if you're signing into a controller that's been used already, then there's going to be assets on this. For instance, somebody's already paired a switch to this. There could be bulbs paired to this already. It doesn't matter. So that is how you connect the app with the controller.